Hello everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on using Benchmark Email as an email autoresponder. Throughout this tutorial, I'll guide you through the essential steps to effectively manage your email marketing campaigns using Benchmark Email. To begin, sign up for a Benchmark Email account by using the link in the description box. Now let's get started. Once logged in, set up your account by providing your business information, including your company name, address, and contact details. Next, create your email list by navigating to the Lists section and creating a new list for your subscribers. Import your subscriber list or connect your existing CRM platform to seamlessly import contacts. Design your email using Benchmark Email's drag-and-drop email editor, choosing from a variety of templates or creating your own custom design. Compose engaging content for your email campaigns, including a compelling subject line and personalized message using merge tags. Utilize Benchmark Email's Autoresponder feature to set up automated emails based on subscriber actions or triggers, such as welcome emails or follow-up sequences. Schedule your email to be delivered at the optimal time for your audience's engagement and track the performance of your campaigns using Benchmark Email's analytics. Use the insights gathered to optimize future email campaigns, testing different elements to improve engagement and conversion rates. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and send effective email campaigns to your subscribers using Benchmark Email. If you have any questions, Benchmark Email's support team is available to assist you. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description to access the platform. Thanks for watching.